Welcome to 6th class Maths IIT Foundation, Chapter 2 Factors and Multiples. Match the column A with the column B. In column A, there are 4 options: prime number, sphenic number, composite number, even number. In column B, divisible by only 3 prime numbers. 2 must be its factor. It has at least 3 factors. It has only 2 factors. We will start from here because there is a description in this column. Divisible by only 3 prime numbers. Divisible by only 3 prime numbers. That is a sphenic number. A sphenic number is a number which can be expressed as the product of 3 distinct prime numbers. So, as it is a product of 3 distinct prime numbers, it is divisible by 3 prime numbers. Therefore, divisible by only 3 prime numbers means it is a sphenic number. So, sphenic number is P. Next, 2 must be its factor. If 2 is a factor, it is divisible by 2. The number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. All even numbers are divisible by 2. So, even number 2 must be its factor Q. Next, it has at least 3 factors. It is a composite number. A number which has at least 3 factors is called a composite number. Here this is composite number. So, and last one, it has only 2 factors. The number which has only 2 factors and they are 1 and the number itself. That number is called the prime number. So, first one, prime number. It has only 2 factors. So, yes. This is the matching. Prime number. It has only 2 factors. Sphenic number. Divisible by only 3 prime numbers. Not more than that. Only 3 and not less than 3 prime numbers. Composite number. It has at least 3 factors. At least 3 factors. It can be any number of factors after 3 factors. So, it has 3, 4, 5, etc. How many, whatever. But it has at least minimum 3 factors. Even number. Even number 2 must be its factor. Even number is a number which can be divisible by 2. So, 2 is a factor for any even number. So, even number 2 must be its factor. Next, fill in the blanks. 12th one. The number of common multiples of 6 and 15 is dash. The number of common multiples. Generally, we will take the least common multiple, the minimum number which is common to the multiples of 6 and 15. But there is no maximum number. The multiples go on up to infinity. Therefore, the number of common multiples of 6 and 15 is infinity. There is an infinite common multiples for any two numbers, and for our use we will take the least one, least common multiple, that is called the LCM. So, the number of common multiples of any two numbers is infinity. 13. The least common multiple of two co-primes is, the least common multiple, that is LCM, of two co-primes. They have no common factor. Therefore, the common multiple or least common multiple of the two co-primes is the product of the two numbers. When there is no common factor for two numbers, the common multiple is, least common multiple is their product itself. So, the least common multiple of two co-primes is their product. Their product. For example, two co-primes, which are two co-primes 11 and 13, are two co-primes. Their least common multiple is the product of the two numbers. 11 into 13, that is 143. Next, LCM of two numbers A and B into HCF of two numbers A and B is the product of LCM and HCF of any two numbers is equal to their product, the product of the two numbers, that is AB or A into B, product of the numbers. This is the relation between any two numbers and their LCM and HCF. Next, the largest three-digit number divisible by 9. The largest three-digit number. The smallest four-digit number is 1000. Therefore, largest three-digit number or largest three-digit number is 1 less than this. So 999 is the largest three-digit number. It is divisible by 9. 999 is divisible by 9. Therefore, it is the largest three-digit number. Next, the smallest four-digit number divisible by 11. The smallest four-digit number is 1000, but it is not divisible by 11. Next, we will take 1001. We will test whether it is divisible by 11 or not. The sum of alternate odd numbers is 1, and alternate even numbers is also 1. So, difference is 0. So, if the two sums difference is 0, then it is divisible by 11. Therefore, the smallest four-digit number divisible by 11 is 1001. If you like my video, give a like and write a comment and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.